So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn, and in today's video we're looking at some error coins that I got from Hong Kong. So essentially I didn't get these from Hong Kong, I purchased them in Australia, and what I do is I try and get these for less than face value. So the current exchange rate is roughly about 5.5 Hong Kong dollars equals 1 Australian dollar, so this is less than a dollar. But for people, I usually just round it to $5 because it's just a lot better to do your sums in whole numbers. So I get these for less, that one for less than a dollar, get this one for less than 20 cents. So these are pretty much worth 17 cents. But, you know, I'll probably get them for like 12, 13 cents. And these ones I'll probably get for like 80 cents each. And yeah, got the $2 coin. And I also get the banknotes. So here we have some old banknotes. I got these for just under face value. And I got a 2003. So this Standard Chartered Bank was not really as common as what people think. I believe their banknotes are only like 20% of the stock, and a $20 note is probably one of the lower denominations. It's the lowest Standard Chartered, but you know, it's not that common. Most of the Standard Chartered are probably $100 banknotes and $500. So this is 2003. Now these are most likely out of circulation now because they've had another 2 banknote series since then. These were replaced in 2012 and they just continue to circulate. Like if you get $50 banknotes in Australia out of the ATM, I still get quite a lot of the old series. So just letting them wear out before they take them out of circulation. Then I've got some $100 banknotes, so 2006, 2008, 2009. These were replaced in 2010, 2011. But most of the ones that I got in 2019 when I last went were in worse condition than this. So they were replaced with the 2010 series, and the 2010 series has been replaced with 2018 series. So they replace the banknotes every 8 years. Anyway, that's it for that. So we'll look at some error coins. So the Hong Kong $1, the 2013 seems to have the most errors. So these are not really going to increase the value, and it's all die doubling. So the die has been broken down. This one's a normal coin, and this one we have. Is that it? Or is that the next one? Let's have a look at the next coin. Okay, so this one sort of has some doubling. And another 2013. And there you go, you can see all the doubling on the coin. So they use the dies too much. So you got all the cards there and in between and around here. There's a card there, card all around there, card there. So only the really extreme examples like here. And this one has small cards on it, so probably not really worth keeping. So only the really distinguishable cards are worth keeping. And as you can see, I've got the $1 coins. The $2 coins is very common as well. $5 not so. And you can see the doubling on the Bohemia flower. So all the way around. It's like it's has a border around the actual coin flower. So that is something to look out for. And we've got 2 more here. So on this side seems to be okay. Don't see too much doubling. You got doubling on this side. And yeah, so it's not as pronounced as the other ones. Yeah, so there you go. So this one's probably, I don't know, probably $5, I would say. That's what you need to keep. I wouldn't worry about keeping the actual coins that don't have the doubling. But sometimes you can get rarer coins. So 2017 is a better coin mintage, high quality coin. But this one also has doubling on the coin as well. So it's a little bit hard to see. So we've got doubling over in this area of the flower. You can see the doubling. And also here you can see doubling as well. So this coin is not as common to be an error coin. So for this doubling, it's hard to price these coins. But if I base it on Australian coins, probably $5 to $10 for a rarer coin. We have 2015, and I don't like that reflection. This one is in higher grade. Oh, that's right, I kept this because just to show you how it's a little bit of a weakness down there. So this must have been difill. Seems to be common on the 2015 coins, so it doesn't add really much value to that one. You had 1998. Did I keep this for any reason? Weakness in the flower. Yeah, not really going to be worth anything above face value. 13, so this has doubling. This one looks like normal, but it has weakness at the top, so that's why I kept it. See the hung in Chinese characters is weakness, and also the rim. So usually the rim is more pronounced than that. And then we have 2017, $5. So you got a weakness in the lettering, which is not unusual. But on this side, we have doubling. So this is the only coin. I think it's the only coin I found. 2017 with doubling. So this is it will be quite scarce to even rare. You can see doubling there and there. Because the 2017 coins are in high grade. Then we have a 97. And did I keep this for any reason? No, I'll think about that. This one does have doubling. Now you can see the doubling around there. Going around there and also on here. So it's not as pronounced, but you can see it. This is a 93, which I have not seen doubling on this coin before. And you can see doubling also on the 5 character. And can you see it on the numeral? No. You also can see it on dollar. So the DO and also on the 5. So it's doubling on both sides. So let's have a look at this coin again. I would have kept it for some reason, that I've just got it. That's why I put them in 2x2, so then you can remember what the error is. Because if you don't do that, put it in 2x2, and then you just forget. So anyway, so I can't remember. I need to think about. Yeah, don't know. And the last one is a. Okay, it also has doubling as well. You can see the doubling on there. And also on this part here on the bottom of the flower, but not as pronounced. Well, you can see it around here as well. And this one is dated 93. So not as common. So that will add extra value to that. But the coin's dated 2013. They don't have any extra value for an error coin. But if you get one, so this is a high grade coin, but it doesn't have any errors, so it's probably a lot scarcer to get than an error coin, which is really strange. So the mint really had a problem, whoever they produced them. Let's have a look closer at this one. Maybe I thought it had doubling, but I think it's also developing because it's like a rounded pit. And or maybe I just kept it because it's a high grade 98 coin. Anyway, so that is the error coins you can get. What I'm going to do now is just put them in 2x2. So if you're not too sure of the 2x2, they come also a flip as well. You can buy them in these holders. So this is 50 piece, made in China. Not too sure on the plastic. So if you want to get a good one, then you probably buy one that's made in Germany. So then all you do is you get the coin, put it in there like that, fold it over, stable, stable, stable. So that's basically it. And then you just write on it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it helps you with finding error coins. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.